Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Adsam and I am excited to introduce my two AI agent system which I have built using the Illegal Agents platform and Mustra AI framework. The first one is OmniSwap. Basically, OmniSwap is a smart software engineering assistant. It helps developers with in-depth code analysis and views, real-time debugging assistance, architecture design recommendations, guidance on industry best practices, and even performance optimization suggestions. Now I will show you the demo. So here you can see it is the interface. First thing which I will ask is what capabilities do you have? So here you can see it has the capabilities of code analysis and review, debugging assistance, architecture design recommendations, best practices guidance, performance optimization suggestions. Okay. Now I will give the some code to my this AI agent system and ask the question about my code. So here you can see it first analyze my code, then it provide me the details that my code is well structured and follow best practices, and also the other details. And here you can see it tells me it might be beneficial to add some error handling to deal with the potential edge cases such as empty string or non-string input. So here you can see it will tell me my code do not handle these edge cases, and here it also gives me the updated version of this code which I can use. And here you can see it also save the chat histories. Now you can think of it as your AI code reviewer and software architect all in one. Okay, so now let's move on my second AI agent system, which is a Code Scribe. Basically it's a personal AI documentation assistant. It automatically reads and understands your code base, generates clean, well structured documentation, and also save it directly in a specified project folders. Okay, so here I will show you the demo. Here I give the prompt read file index.ts and generate the detailed documentation of this file, and also create the abc.txt file and save it in this file. So here I will show you it has created the abc.txt file and also generate the documentation and save the documentation in this file. Okay, so here you can see this is the proper documentation of my code base. Here I also give the another prompt, read the file index.ts file and generate the detailed documentation of this file and save it in the details.txt file. Okay, so here you can see it has created the details.txt file and generate the proper documentation of my code and save it in the text file. Okay, so basically this is the perfect for teams that want to keep documentation updated without the manual effort. Okay, so these tools can seriously boost your development productivity and code quality. If you are a solo developer or a part of team, OmniSwap and Code Scribe can save hours of work and improve your workflow. Thank you very much.